No. First.
Oh, footprints, I see. Are you gonna do it, honey?
No. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Go for it. Wait till Mason gets out of the way. Ready? 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, go back the other way. It's okay. Jump. You're not jumping, sweet pea. And do your jumps back that way? Yep. Come over here. Mason's gonna jump off the end. Jump into the pit, Mace. Whee!
Their pit is more bigger than ours.
That's right. It's for big kids. You guys are on the big kid side now. Huh.
My turn.
No, it's her turn actually. It's her turn. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good job, baby. Alright, ready?
No.